Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to connect your Canva account over to Shopify. And the reason that you may want to do this is because when you go to use Shopify's built-in website builder and you want to import some designs over from your Canva account over to the builder, then this would be the ideal way to really save up some time and add a really cool design, a really cool personalized design, I might say, over to your website and online store at Shopify. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So the first thing that you guys need to do is once you're logged into your account over at Shopify as an administrator, you want to navigate to the bottom left corner of your screen until you find the option that says settings. So we're simply going to click on this, and this should show us a bunch of different options to choose from. And what we're looking for here is the apps and sales channel. So the apps and sales channel can be found between markets and domains. So we're going to click on it like so, and we're going to click on Shopify App Store. So what's going to happen is it's going to redirect us to this page right here, what you're seeing right now. And if you guys don't see the Canva application or plugin for Shopify right away, what you can do is click on the search bar right here and type down Canva. And what this app does is it actually imports a lot of your designs over from Canva over to Shopify, like I said. Now there are two options, being AutoSync Canva integration and Canvify, which is Canva landing pages. And the one that I wholeheartedly recommend is AutoSync by Canva. So this one, everything will basically work its magic and will require very little setup when you guys go to connect both platforms. So we're going to click on it, and we'll be redirected to their homepage, or I should say their store page right here. And from here, we simply want to click on install. Now it's going to take us to another page. Let's actually wait for this to load, where we'll basically give it permission to connect to our Shopify account. And when you do, let's let it work its magic like so. And in a second here, you'll see the dashboard where we'll be logging in our Canva account. So here it is. And what you need to do next is first we're going to copy this store key right here because we'll be using this later when we go to Shopify Sync. So to install Shopify Sync, simply want to click on this link right here. So it's this one over at Canva, and we're going to use in a design, and we can do this when we're logged into Canva, but I don't actually have an account. So when we install this plugin for Canva, we're going to enter this key right here and basically make the connection between the two. Now you can easily import your designs over from your Canva account over to Shopify. It'll be found in the library when you go to the store editor or the website builder. So yeah, there you guys have it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And yeah, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.